Who is the king of storytelling in Jamaica? The most Bawdacat, man. Who else tell a better story than Bawdacat? So tonight we have a Bawdacat video with a little bit of different twist. We have some people use the Bawdacat sound, or they might react to the Bawdacat sound. The videos them bad. And then of course we have a few Bawdacat video, and we have one with no other than the Natty with a nasty mouth, Peanut Dread. So of course you know, say no long talk in a girl alone chase. We are jump right in a video.
Now any foreigner me I go to, white, black, purple or blue, if him love dog, try not love me. You understand me, brother? Cause me not live with no dog. You understand me? Cause with no dog history and dog story, you know, we no pet dog. That's why me tell you, see enough man left here and go up there live lower life and with them left here. Cause them up here sleep with dog and pussy in a bed.
Well. Nothing a lie. I've slept with a dog and I've slept with puss in a one bed. Me I dog. I'm a woman. When I had a woman, she have the puss. Moving forward. You get it?
You say that
So,
liar?
yeah,
You're that liar?
Huh?
You're that liar?
yeah, I'm gonna just stay with him for the rest of his life, of course.
Fantastic.
That's the kind of woman I am,
Alright.
and I'm single
What cost you?
by choice because the man them in New York them too dirty. Me no want them. Yeah, I'm afraid.
I love a Jamaican man.
Yeah, I do, but I love cat. I really do. Yeah.
Alright, so you're pretty and can't find a man.
It's not about prettiness. I just told you I'm single by choice.
Okay.
I'm serious. If I want, I could have a man in my room, but I don't believe in living those kind of life.
Okay.
You know, I just, I'm different. I'm just different.
You don't believe in a two-man?
No, I don't. One person and that's it.
I don't know this lady. I don't know this person, but I'll be a lies. Lies you're telling, lady. Lies. So then I'll cut off the chat. Because I know say a lie she'll tell. The dude or look a man when she call at night time and he way over. Can't tell me nothing. I'm just kidding. Probably she's telling the truth. Probably she doesn't cheat. Because you have some faithful Jamaican women out there. Yes, 5% of Jamaican women are actually faithful. Just 5%. Anyways, we don't know say that's a me love run joke. Moving forward.
But look how they are cheer out cat food. Email, how they are cheer out cat food.
I'm gonna tear out back home early or soon.
Alright, so Mel, you're always being crazy, super crazy over Bawdacat. Now you have to meet him in person. What do you have to say about the great man? One of the greatest men that the greatest man.
Love girl.
You can't left me with something to talk about, you know.
Yes.
We need
So she always crazy about the cat. Always. Every time we are.
The lady said, look how we are tear out Bawdacat legs. Bawdacat say, later me can't tear out Funa legs. While boss a puffy in cliff, enjoy himself, probably a drink a dragon. And later on he told him skin I get burned. In regards to the previous video, that lady, she looking a man and Bawdacat have a look of fame and probably a little fortune, and she says she's a good woman. So who am I to say she's not? Anyways, we'll move forward.
Then say boss say if you go sleep. Sleep where? Your yard, man. Which part they are What do you see? What you see? What shit? You know which shit? No man, go on at your yard, man. How you become a work junk? How you work this, brother? How you become junk? And not threaten the workers, them and not half a man who be starved, and who you with broke knife, and who you with poor.
The youth are bad. If you tag him in the head, so I can't go follow him or anything, because the boss talented. I think I boss this year again. Bawdacat, boy, Bawdacat have a story about everything. Something is always happening around Bawdacat when you can share a story with we. And we appreciate it, but them man, them talented, and the lady too. They can act. Send them a Bollywood or a Nollywood. That I want them in Nigeria. When I say Bollywood and Nollywood are the place where them do movies in Nigeria and India, sir. Okay then. Or you can sell them a Hollywood, the American one. Damn, I can't lose my crown, brother.
I go in our church, and the pastor say, somebody drinking them life away. But through him did go in drunk, and pastor start preach. Pastor don't even know if him drunk, you know. Pastor don't even say him a new member. Him say him pastor talk, drop on his slide gone up a pulpit. Tell pastor say yes a me sir. Pastor call him up on pulpit, pray for him. Send him out. When him go to you think him do? Him go fuck up more wrong.
Let me tell you, say, Bawdacat is the king of storytelling in Jamaica. Meatbone Bad, the original storyteller. Peanut Dread Bad. Who else out there? I ain't call him Joker, all them bad, but Bawdacat I king right now. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, that was funny. The enactment bad. I need to tag them you in that video. But anyways, so we reach the final video for tonight. So we have Peanut Dread and we have Bawdacat. It's a wicked link up.
Life, is it?
Yes, people, I two artists legend I road there one place I from a Falkland, you know. Bawdacat and Peanut Dread. Rasta, you know, some years a virgin from Yale what they are disappoint that Yale. They didn't bother take that Yale. They are real talk.
Me hate you human being, you know.
Well, me believe you. Wicked people in the rest.
Me not like you, you know.
Myself.
Hold on, me a hypocrite, you know. Okay, you know. I mean, I pretend I know. Yeah, if you're good, me good. If you're wicked, me wickeder. Learn that, yeah?
Yeah.
And you, man, being a pretender, them. Friend you up. Yes, I'm kind to you just withdraw you in. Fuck your hand, you know.
Yes.
So we need some man of discipline, respect, and principle, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, make sure you create your own job and your own failure, yeah?
Yes, no man.
Boy can't nothing talk over you, yeah?
Nothing talk. You got them sharp, you know, man. You bless because you got them sharp. Black clocks, white clocks. You got them planted there. Them planted there, no bless, look there. Like the man them planted there.
Sharp.
Black clocks, black suit, white clock.
Fuck you! Go inside your pick me and your wife.
Yeah, man.
Who is you? When you go over me, you come a bumper clap boy your boss. Boss what?
But remember,
About your dance.
you know, man, exchange labor for
And
money.
boy you govern your wife and pick me in a pussy hole, batty man and boy now. And left me, yeah? Right. Make me
What a man dark, man. On a midday and the sun is out and the sun is shining as Bob Marley say and they sing it. The sun is shining. Whatever Bob Marley say. Yeah, Peanut Dread is still dark. And when the man have on a white shirt, the man still dark. You see, man them bush out and trash out. Bawdacat couldn't even put in few words. Peanut Dread took over a hungry situation. They two man a job, man. Respect them, man. I swear. Thank you both for the content that you've been giving me, and thank you guys for tuning in every night or day or noon. Whenever you tune in, respect. And just subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, come back and watch more videos. Share the video on your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Share the video with a Dirty X. Yeah, man. I think I'm gonna share the video with Fimi Dirty X. leave a comment. Comment Peanut Dread and comment Bawdacat, whichever one you don't want to comment. Just comment something. And as always, stay safe. God bless.